Hey everyone, this is Avery of A Very Good Idea, and I'm here to show you how to convert a hockey skate such as this into a quad roller skate such as this. Then when you get really good at it, you'll be able to take your creativity even further and create something like this right here. Now in order to get here, we must first start here. And if we can understand these two parts, then I think we will reach our goal for today. This will be extra, so stay tuned to the end. Now, this is a Bauer Vapor X Shift Pro hockey skate. It's a very high-end skate, and we got this and removed the blade holder and then attached to it the skate plate and heel and wheels such as this right here. Now, this is a different model skate. This is a CCM Tacks 9040. That's a lower end hockey skate, but we want to get better. We want to be able to practice on lower end ones before we move to higher end skates. And we got this, and it came with a blade holder. We removed the blade holder and attached the skate plate, heel, and wheels as such. And once we got really good at that, we were able to go even further and collaborate with a customizer to create this right here. Now, we collaborated with Kotakustoms, and he would created this design, which is inspired by the off-white Nike AJ1 Chicago basketball shoe. This is not a basketball shoe. This is a hockey boot. In fact, this is the same hockey boot as this right here. This is a Bauer Vapor X Shift Pro. You hear that? And I can prove it to you not only by that knock, because of the hard material there, but also if you look at the back, it's got the same exact insignia up top, and it's the profile of a hockey boot, right? So he created this leather upper, and then I then attached the skate plates, the wheels, picked out the funky laces, added the zip tie, just to kind of keep it consistent with the inspiration, the off-white inspiration, and yeah. So and of course the heel. But in order to get here to this part, we must first understand this level right here. And if we can grasp this part, then I think we'll reach our goal for today. And if you want to learn this part, I'll show you a little bit at the end, so that'll be extra. But let's get started.